Alright, now that we learn how to draw boxes stacked one on top of one another or one beside the other, what we want to do this particular time is, what happens if I have a box like this? Again, I'm using my guidelines very likely to draw, right? And what happens if I actually shift, right? Take one half of the box and I move this part to my right, and this part I actually moving to my left. Okay, what happened? So what can happen is, okay, I'm going to make this left part here stay first, not move, but the right part, this line will move up, okay, to somewhere here. Correspondingly, the base will also move, and knowing that this part, this portion has gone up, so it will move up by this much. Okay, so I can estimate this, and I know that the box would shift this much. Okay, so now if I darken in the line, okay, so I would know that my box have shifted by this amount. Okay, so that is how I can actually draw when one box shift over to the other side. Okay, what happened if I wanted to do this? Another box. Okay, now this box, I want this particular portion to shift up. Okay, so what I can do is, it will move by this much, therefore increase by this much. Correspondingly, all lines, since it's parallel, will move up by so much. Alright, and if I will darken it, this would be my final box that has shifted up by so much. Would I be able to see the behind the box? Yes. So I will draw in this, and there will be a line that is hidden behind here. Okay, so that is the box that is being shifted up. Okay, so yeah, what happened now if instead of being cut vertically or horizontally, what happened if I were to cut a shape diagonally? Okay, so let's say if I have a box here, okay, a box again. This time round, imagine if I will cut a line here, right? What would happen? Alright, what happen if I allow this part, the back portion, to stay, and I move the front portion to my right? Okay, so what I'll get is this part will move, this line will stay, and because this part is gone up, so therefore I will get the distance up to here. Okay, and this whole thing will move correspondingly this much. Okay, so the whole thing will shift up by so much. Okay, yeah, let me see. Now you understand why we use our guidelines. If you make a little mistake here and there, yes, use the eraser to erase up to get the correct. Okay, so alright, so that is if this part has moved up. Okay, and I draw the line here. Alright, so this is for diagonal lines. Alright, another one, if I have a block like this, okay, and I want to make this part move backwards. Okay, I mean I move this part up. So what happened? I will project along this line. This part will go up to here. Same for this line. Then I will join, and then this part extend. Okay, so don't be afraid if you draw one over the other. Once you darken it, it should be fine, and you can see clearly where your lines have gone. Okay, so this is the diagonal line, extend all the way down here. Right, and you know that this part has gone up. Okay, so have a go at it, try different lines, different boxes having cuts, and you can practice them, shifting them around. Okay.